Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at 3 underrated ad tools that everyone in marketing should know for 2025. So let's jump right in. First, we have Zapier Central. Zapier Central was launched in 2024 in beta, and it's amazing. Basically, with Zapier Central, we can build and teach an army of AI bots to do the work for us around the clock. We can build an AI assistant to connect with the company data and get us answers whenever we want. We can build an AI assistant to manage our inboxes, send follow-up emails, remind customers about invoices, score incoming leads, or tell us which emails to basically ignore. There are a whole bunch of templates that are pre-built for us for these AI assistants, like analyzing customer sentiment from feedback in Zendesk. There's one to build candidate ranking system, do SEO analysis, automate sales emails. There's a whole bunch, so just pick whichever is going to be most useful to you, or you can just build your own. It's super easy. All we got to do is go to Zapier Central workspace, build a new assistant, give it a name, give it a description. In the instructions, this is where we're gonna write our AI prompt. So whatever you want the assistant to do. And for actions, this is where we connect our apps to the AI assistant so it can do the work on our behalf. So you can connect your Gmail, you can connect your Salesforce. There's literally 7,000 plus apps. So just pick whichever one's gonna be most useful to the bot you're building. And for data sources, we have a bunch of options like HubSpot, Asana, Notion, Excel. Wherever your data or your knowledge base for your company, for your workflow is gonna reside, just connect that. And that's pretty much it. This is gonna build your AI assistant. So you can just chat with it, you can ask it questions, you can ask it to do things, and it's going to do it for you. We can keep talking about Zapier Central, so let us know in the comments if you want a deep dive tutorial on this. For now, we're going to move on to the next tool. Next one is called Julius AI. So Julius AI is basically like ChatGPT, but for data analysis. Here I have a sample data set of Netflix, TV shows and movies and the ratings and all that stuff. Just a sample data, just want to show you what Julius AI can do. So basically you can upload your data to Julius AI. You can ask it any questions you want. You can ask it to analyze anything you want. So instead of you spending all the time building out the formulas, writing the scripts to plot something or analyzing the data and stuff, this does that all automatically. So you can just upload your data file, ask any question you want. You can ask it to plot something, analyze something, it does it for you. Or you can just go to the existing workflows. So if you just go here, we have workflows for data visualization, data cleaning, statistics. We have a workflow here to do a correlation analysis. I'm gonna upload my data. It's gonna run through the workflow. It's gonna ask me which columns I want to do analysis on. I'm gonna select those columns, and boom, it's gonna write all the Python code, and now it's doing the analysis for us. And I can ask it further questions, I can follow up on whatever is happening. I can literally instead of spending my time writing those formulas or Python code to run this data analysis scripts, I can let AI do all the work and only think about the right questions I need to be asking so I can get the answers for any business decisions I might want to make. Or I can just upload a file and add it to visualize data if I just need some visuals for the report I'm presenting to the stakeholders or for a meeting, or I just want a more visual person. I like visualizing the data to understand what is going on. I can do a heat map, I can do time series analysis, literally whatever I think I want to do. Again, I'm not a data scientist, so maybe at that level this is not as good, but as someone who's working in marketing day in day out, super useful. But of course, this is freemium. You can do a whole bunch of stuff, but you have limited messages you can send every day, very similar to Claude and ChatGPT's free plan. So this is Julius AI for data analysis work, because with AI and everything getting so sort of commoditized, data is going to be the key to really understand where you can make an impact, what to do, when to do. So yeah, here's your data analysis assistant. Our next tool is going to be for people on the creative side a little bit. It's called Flair.ai. I think this is one of the best tools out there right now for doing product photography. You can do product photography for clothing brands. You can do it for accessories. Here we have wristwatch, we have swimsuit, we have fashion stuff, we have women's gloves, we have sneakers. These photos are so good, you can't tell if they're real or not. Let me show you an example. I just took these 3 product photos from a Ralph Lauren's catalog. I just wanted to try how well this tool actually works. You need at least 3 good photos to train the model. So I uploaded those 3 photos. All I have to do is click start training. I don't have to train, it just does it automatically. It takes about 5 minutes to do its training. Now all I gotta do is write a prompt and then use the trained model in my prompt as a product. And now it's going to do those AI photography for me. So my prompt was a photo of a woman wearing blush pink, peacoat with double-breasted closure, 35mm lens, professional fashion photography. And these were the results I was getting, which I think are spectacular. I mean, these tools are only getting started, so I can't imagine how good they're going to be. But if you are in sort of e-commerce space, you have lots of physical products, you can probably save a lot of photography budget and add it to your workflow automation stuff. So give it a try. It's called Flair.ai. So these 3, I think, are the underrated tools tools for marketing that we should know in 2025. They save a lot of time, the quality of AI is really good, and it makes work a lot easier. If you learned something new, the video was insightful, you just got some creative juices flowing, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and workflows. We'll see you in the next videos.